Hi friends, I'm Charity Kaufman, and I'm a children's ministry leader and a managing editor here at Group Publishing. We talked to a lot of different children's ministry leaders across the country when we started concocting this year's children's ministry local training. And we noticed a theme. Leaders are passionate about discipling today's kids. So we're adding a tad more technology, a pinch more production, and several heaping spoonfuls of classroom management techniques. But something's still missing. So, at Group's Secret Sauce Children's Ministry Local Training, we'll take a look at a recipe from Jesus. And it turns out, it's pretty simple. We'll unpack 3 basic ingredients for a Jesus-centered children's ministry that helps create memorable experiences that ultimately grows friendship with Jesus. And it boils down to this: love God with your heart, your soul, and your mind, and love your neighbor as yourself. So, neighbors, I would like to personally invite you and your teams to come to Group's Children's Ministry Local Training this fall. We're in over 60 different locations across the country. Not 60 locations. So there's sure to be some secret sauce cooking up near you. Mark your calendars, register, and we cannot wait to cook up some fun. We'll see you there.